Hi, I'm Jessica, owner at Star Lashes World and World Beauty University. Today I'm going to bring you the first of a few segments on diversifying your work. I find it's very important to be able to offer your clients different styles and to be step out of your comfort zone, step out of the box. So there will be one lash map every week. If ever you have any questions or it's not clear, you can always reach out for me. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions at info@starlashes.world. So today is the first map we're going to look at. We're going to get one once a week, and I sure hope you enjoy them. Happy lashing! So the first lash map we'll be looking at is one that I did a while ago, a long time ago actually, but was very popular on the social media, had thousands and thousands of likes. So hopefully you will like it as well. It's not that complicated. It's pretty simple actually. It's all in the detail. It's all in the fluffiness of your 005. So we're always also going to talk about how to achieve fluffiness. This particular lash map is a spiky look. In my spikes, I like in this one, because I do all kinds of different spikes, in this one I like to use flat lashes, different kinds of flat lashes you can find. I like the ones that have the split tips. So you want to use a flat lash that is very soft. I also like the matte lashes. Some people like shiny lashes. I like the matte, but that's a matter of choice. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my spikes, for example, but then you do have to adapt this map to your client's natural lashes. So for example, here I'm gonna use 12, 14, 14, 16, 16, 16, and 14. This one I did in C. Some maps I will even go and mix a lot of sizes, a lot of thicknesses, and a lot of curves in the same map. This one I'm gonna only use C to start with. So these are even, you can also use, if you don't have flats, you can also use the classic lashes in a 0.15 or 0.20 if your client's lashes are strong enough, of course. Then I'm gonna go and do some volume. I really love the 05 mink. I'm addicted to 005 mink. I love the fluffiness that it can give you. I find it looks so much more sophisticated than 007, but that might be just me. And I love, love, love fluffy. How to achieve fluffy? You need to do minimal glue. A lot of people put way too much glue. You don't need to put a lot of glue. You need to put 1 millimeter. If your lashes are nicely prepped, cleansed, primed, and you use a very good adhesive, all you need is 1 millimeter of glue, okay? And you need to do, in order to achieve fluffy, you need to do short base for your fans, and you need to do a wide fan, not a narrow fan, okay? So, and in order, when you do spiky look, one of the secrets to have a nice spiky look and to be able to clearly see your spikes is you need to go at least 3 millimeter difference between your fan, your lower fan, and your spike. If you only leave 2 millimeters, your spike is not going to show as much. So at least 3 millimeter. So here, next to my spike, my flat 12 millimeter, I'm going to put a fan in 005, white fan, minimal glue, 1 millimeter of glue, and this one's going to be a 9, and that section is going to be 9C. In the inner corner, I usually always do inner corner on the left hand side when I do maps or drawings. In the inner corner, I will start by 8. So in this section, it all depends how many lashes your clients have. So of course, I'm going to show you maps, different maps every week, but you do need to adapt with the length and in the sections, because one client can have like 5 lashes in this section, and then another client can have like 25 lashes in this section. So you do need to adapt, okay? So I'm gonna put maybe, for example, 2.8, 2.9. Now next to 12, of course, I'm gonna put 9 again, because I do want my 3 millimeter difference. I'm gonna go do a few 9, a couple of 10s, 11, maximum 11 here, because remember, we need to have the 3 millimeter difference. So between these two 14s, I'm gonna put only 11 in this section. So as I said, this lash map is really quite easy to start with. Here we have 16. Eleven, 12, 13, always all wide fan, small amount of glue, of course, great directions. I'm really obsessed with direction. You need absolutely to have always perfect direction. And especially, well, always perfect directions. In every set, any style you do, you have to have perfect direction. That's what's going to set you apart from other lash artists. But especially the spikes. If your spikes have not a good direction, we're gonna see it right away. Okay, so you do need to apply yourself and have like perfect direction. I'm gonna go 13, 12, 11, because here I do want my 3mm difference. Whoops, 11. So that's an example. But if your client wants the same map but a little bit shorter, all you do is go down. You can do 12, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14 and fill out with just 11 fluffy 005 white fan. You can also, I use a lot of 9s in these spikes, this spiky look. You can also like only fill with 9005. So this is an example. You do need to adapt to your client's natural lashes. And of course, that's without saying, you do need to style according to your client's eye shape. So here, I put the longer ones over here. But let's say your client would look better with a dolly or open eye. My longest spikes would be in the middle section, of course. So I'm going to show you a few pictures of what that lash map might look like on a client. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. You can always reach me. Info star lashes.world. And I'll see you next week with another map. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, do not hesitate. See you soon.